Peace Divines! Welcome to my channel, Life of a Millionaire, and my name is Millionaire, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, I love creating all things around holistic living, eco-conscious living, DIYs, and sometimes family stuff once in a while. And I welcome you to the channel. And if you're not new to the channel, then you already know that I love making juices. Lately, during COVID, I became a little under the weather and I started to naturally take care of myself holistically. And I am so grateful that I can always turn to juicing. And I was inspired by a lot of people, but particularly Queen Afua, who I will always give my respects to. So I definitely want to give my respects to Queen Afua, who I admire and will always admire so much for having an influence and impact on my juicing journey. Among other people that are more new to juicing and just, new to different things that are into holistic wellness and everything. And today I wanted to create a juice for fall. And I started thinking, and I said I know it's going to be fall in a couple of weeks, and I am in New York, so I wanted to create a fall recipe juice. And I found a recipe that has zucchini in it. And zucchini is a great substitute for ingredients like cucumber in a recipe, and it definitely will give it a very creamy texture to the recipe. And I also decided to put some green apples and some lemon and some kale. And so let's get into the recipe. And so I will be using my Nama J2 juicer. And you can definitely, if you do not have a Nama juicer, that is okay, of course. Use whatever juicer you have. Just make sure you follow your manufacturer's instructions. So I already cleaned right before I decided to use the kale. I made sure that I washed the kale, and I just took a bit of some apple cider vinegar and water and I soaked it. And you can definitely watch my natural cleaning recipe video if you want to learn more about natural cleaning recipes. I think the recipes will really be beneficial to you. They are for me. And I already cleaned the zucchini and the apples. And so right now I am going to take the skin continue taking the skin off of the lemon. And even though zucchini is a summer vegetable, you could definitely have it for fall. And when it comes to the apple, you definitely want to take, when you're putting it into the Nama, if you're using the Nama, you definitely want to take the seeds out. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the core out. And this recipe is definitely going to have a nice sweetness and creaminess to it. And so first I am going to put the kale in because you're always supposed to put the softest ingredients in first. So I'm going to put the kale in. And I'm going to put the lemon, and I will definitely put the recipe on my website. And well, I'll probably put it in the description. And then if you want to get the ingredients, you are welcome to, I can direct you. If you live in an urban environment like me or a busy city like me, then I can direct you to where you can get the ingredients. But I'm pretty much using 2 zucchinis, and I'm using 2 apples, and I used about a half of a lemon. And I'm just cutting it up because you definitely want to make it as easy as possible for the Nama juicer to grind it up. I love how soft the zucchini is when you cut it up. It just, you can tell that it's going to be so creamy. And I'm more than likely going to have to we'll do the rest of the zucchini, but first we will do this batch and then we will do the rest of the zucchini. Go ahead and turn this on and let's go. And so I'm going to add the rest of the zucchini now. Okay, and I made about 14 ounces of juice. And now I am going to, I don't mind drinking it like this. Some juices you definitely want to strain. In this case, you know, I don't see any clumps, so I am not necessarily in need of straining it. But for the video, I like to use these bags. These are like my nut milk bags. But I can also, of course, use them to strain. So I'm going to strain it. But plenty of people definitely use the metal aluminum different strainers. And I'm just going to put it in there. And there we are. But again, I enjoy Unless there's like some big clumps, then I will strain it. It's like when you see people milking a cow. And yeah, there we go. And so it smells kind of like wheatgrass. Interesting. Okay. And so now I am going to pour it, and there we go. And here is zucchini, apple, and kale juice. And let's try it. Okay. I don't know, it just reminds me of like an essence of wheatgrass. It's interesting. And yeah, so this is definitely, you know, as you will see in my other videos, I have a video where I'm juicing 6 different juices. You could definitely check that video out as well. It's definitely a beneficial video. And you know, I like to suggest to people to, you know, be creative and, you know, play around with the ingredients, because everyone has a different play on their palate, if you want to say. And you know, 5 people could eat the same thing but prefer to have it taste differently, right? But for me, you know, I'm a really flexible person. Like, I'm really able to adapt to a lot of things. I'm definitely able to adapt to a lot of things. So, you know, and I love juicing, and I love green juices, and I love fruit juices. Definitely. And, you know, it's a journey. And so always remember to be creative and have fun. And I am always so grateful to be able to come on here and to make these videos. I made some dumplings today. My son loves dumplings, and I hope he enjoys the meal, because I definitely am going to enjoy some dumplings. Okay, it's definitely plant-based, and my son, he is not 100% plant-based, but I am, and I love making plant-based meals. And if you enjoyed the video, please feel free to give a thanks. You can hit the thanks button, okay? And I think it's called a super thanks. You definitely can hit the super thanks button, and please to like, subscribe, and share, and comment. I would like to know, what type of juice recipes are you creating for fall in a couple of weeks? You know, I definitely am going to be making a lot of more recipes, and they are definitely going to be more cooked recipes, more so than juicing. I'm still going to be juicing all the time in my personal life, but I want to make cooked recipes because fall is coming and everything. And so if you have any suggestions or things you would like to see me make, let me know. That's not a problem as well. Feel free to go to my Instagram as well, at Montauk Avenue, because I love sharing all the amazing people that are doing things that are pertaining to holistic wellness and eco-conscious living. And definitely check out my website so you can see the amazing people that I admire for how they live their life and what they're doing for themselves and others. And as always, be well, be true to yourself. Peace, Divine.